Hello, I'm Dr. Meredith Porter, Medical Director for our Inova GoHealth. I'm here to answer some common questions about where to get care. Sore throat is one of the most common symptoms that we'll see in both primary and urgent care. If you cannot get in to see your primary care team, please come see us in urgent care. We can do an appropriate evaluation and testing and make sure that we get you on the right path. This is a great question this time of year as we're approaching the holidays. One of the most common things we see in urgent care are lacerations or cuts to the hands and fingers while we're doing that holiday baking and cooking. If you do have a wound that happens at home, please take the time just to clean it out really well with some warm soapy water and put a pressure dressing on there. If it is continuing to bleed, it's very important that you come on into urgent care. We can assess it, we can do wound closure by multiple different means, and we're a great alternative to the emergency room to get you in and out pretty quickly. Weekend is the perfect time to bring your little one to the urgent care if they're not feeling well. If they do have an earache, you can try some home remedies with some acetaminophen or ibuprofen and a warm compress. But if they're still having considerable pain and a fever, no need to wait and delay care for several days. Please seek out an urgent care and we can take care of you 365 days a year and open on the weekends and after hours. It's a great time to actually come into urgent care if you are experiencing acute respiratory symptoms. This time of year, we're seeing an uptick in our acute respiratory illnesses, and it's really hard sometimes to know what the cause of that is, whether it is flu or cold or COVID. We are seeing cases of whooping cough and RSV in the community. So it's very important to come on into the centers so we can help identify and then get you on the right path for treatment. And if you haven't received your flu shot for the year yet, please come on into our centers. We're happy to give it to you to keep you safe for the rest of the season. Some home tips that you can do if you do have a sore throat, you can make sure that you stay well hydrated. Drinking soups and waters can really help. You can also suck on candy or a throat lozenge or use some topical analgesic sprays, some acetaminophen and Tylenol, even just some old-fashioned adding a teaspoon of salt to some tall glass of warm water and gargling with that can also help with some symptoms to keep you feeling more comfortable at home. Thank you for your questions. At Inova GoHealth, we are here for you 365 days a year. If you have any additional questions, please just leave them in the comment section.